Hello friends, my name is Anand Mahesh Shivare. I am from South Sundarabai Manikarsan Polytechnic. We are performed to a EL's practical number 25, low voltage regulator using IC 723. Practical significance: voltage regulators are used to compensate for voltage fluctuation in main power as well as load current variation. Voltage regulators are used in industries as well as domestic applications such as air conditions, TV receivers, and refrigerators. In order to protect them, fluctuation input voltage in practical, students will able to sketch line and load regulation characteristics of given IC 723. Relevant program outcome of this practical: first is basic knowledge, second one is practical and discipline knowledge. बरोबर. Build low voltage regulator using IC 723 for given regulated output voltage is 2 to 7 volt.
The features of 723 voltage regulator are 150 milliampere output current. Features of 723 voltage regulator are 150 milliampere output current without external pass transistor. Output current of 10 ampere is possible by adding external transistor. Input voltage ranges from 9.5 to 40 volts. Output voltage adjustable from 2 volts to 37 volts. This is the pin configuration of IC LM723.
Resources of this practical is DC power supply, IC regulator, capacitor, resistor, and connecting wire.
Connection of some.
This is a circuit diagram of voltage regulator. Here, precision regulator, regulated power supply, 3-terminal adjustable regulator, 3-terminal fixed regulator. Current limit, current sense, invert input, non-invert input, voltage reference, negative voltage, VZ output, voltage output, VC, positive voltage, and frequency composition. Procedure of this practical is build circuit on breadboard as per circuit diagram. To find the outline regulator, vary the input voltage in step keeping load constant. Measure the output voltage and to find outline load regulator, vary the load in steps keeping input voltage constant and measure output voltage.
The result of this practical is we are able to study to use the low voltage regulator using IC LM723.
Okay.